welcome. Today, we are diving into some fundamental concepts that shape our understanding of right and wrong. We'll explore the differences between morals and ethics, ethics and religion, and law and ethics. Let's get started. Moral versus ethics. Morals definition. Morals refer to an individual's own principles regarding right and wrong, often influenced by culture, religion, and personal experiences. Characteristics. Subjective, based on personal beliefs and values. Internal, governed by individual conscience. Cultural, religious influence, often shaped by cultural norms and religious teachings. Examples: personal beliefs about honesty, kindness, and integrity. Ethics. Definition. Ethics is a set of rules or principles that dictate appropriate behavior in a given context, often codified by organizations or professions. Characteristics. Objective, based on collective agreement and reasoning. External, governed by external standards and codes. Universal, professional influence, often developed by professional bodies or organizations. Examples: professional codes of conduct, corporate ethics policies, legal standards. Comparison. Source. Morals are often derived from personal or cultural values, while ethics are derived from agreed upon principles within a group or profession. Scope. Morals are broader and more personal, while ethics are specific to particular contexts or groups. Enforcement. Morals are self-enforced, while ethics are enforced by organizations, professions, or societal norms. Ethics versus religion. Ethics definition. Ethics is the systematic study of what is right and wrong, often involving a set of principles or guidelines for behavior. Characteristics. Secular, can be applied universally, regardless of religious belief. Rational, based on reason and logical analysis. Flexible, can adapt to new situations and information. Examples: business ethics, medical ethics, environmental ethics. Religion definition. Religion involves a set of beliefs, practices, and moral codes based on the teachings of a divine power or spiritual leader. Characteristics: faith-based, rooted in spiritual beliefs and divine authority. Absolute, often considered immutable and eternal. Cultural specificity, tied to specific religious traditions and communities. Examples: the 10 Commandments in Christianity, the 5 Pillars of Islam, Dharma in Hinduism. Comparison. Source of authority. Ethics are based on human reasoning and consensus, while religion is based on divine revelation and faith. Flexibility. Ethics can change and evolve with new understanding, while religious principles are often seen as unchangeable. Application. Ethics can be applied in any context and are meant to be universal, while religious morals apply specifically to adherents of the religion. Law versus ethics. Law definition. Law is a system of rules created and enforced by governmental institutions to regulate behavior. Characteristics: formal, codified and written into legal statutes. Enforceable, backed by governmental authority with penalties for violations. Mandatory, compliance is required by all within the jurisdiction. Examples: criminal laws, civil laws, regulatory statutes. Ethics definition. Ethics is a set of principles or guidelines that dictate appropriate behavior in a given context. Characteristics: informal, often not codified, though can be formalized in professional codes. Non-enforceable, based on moral persuasion rather than legal compulsion. Voluntary, adherence is typically voluntary, guided by personal or organizational commitment. Examples: professional codes of conduct, corporate ethics policies, social norms. Comparison. Enforcement. Laws are enforced by legal authorities with specific penalties, while ethics rely on personal or organizational accountability. Scope. Laws apply universally within a jurisdiction and cover specific prohibited behaviors, while ethics cover a broader range of conduct, often beyond legal requirements. Basis. Laws are based on legislative processes and societal consensus, while ethics are based on moral principles and values. Objective. Laws aim to maintain order and protect rights, while ethics aim to promote moral behavior and integrity. Conclusion. Understanding the differences between morals, ethics, religion, and law helps us navigate complex issues and make better decisions. Morals guide us personally, ethics guide us professionally and socially, religion guides us spiritually, and laws guide us legally. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe for more insights on ethics and other essential topics. Until next time, stay ethical.